Hello guys. Uh, Today we are going to see that how to resolve the problem when we have installed Python. So we got a problem like PIP is not recognized as an internal or external command. Basically, this is the common problem. So let's see how can we fix it. First, you need to go to their Python install file location. So search Python and go open file location. Here you can see shortcut. Can you have to go into right path? There, yes. Okay, just copy this, copy the path and go search for the edit in environment variables, system environment. Sorry, just go on environment variables now. Yeah, this is the path. Yeah, you have to add new. Just paste it. Click OK. Yeah, sorry. Similarly, you have to add the system variable as well. Paste it. Okay, done. So now go into CMD. So as you type say pip install as your any packages like discord.py. So still it's saying pip is not recognized. Okay, let's see how we can fix it now. For solve it, all of you make sure that you have Python installed correctly. So if it's not there or it has any issues, so we can repair it. Just go search for Python at Google and go to their website and you can see download Python for Windows. Download it, save it. Okay, make it repair. It will take few seconds and after that it will be repaired successfully. Close it. Make it modify as well. Just add Python to the environment variable, so then make sure it will be add the environment variables. But we did the same thing manually. Mostly complete. It will be take same as last time for few seconds. Yeah, just finished. So close it and now go to the CMD and try PIP install any packages like discord.py or something. Yeah, finally it's installing. That means the PIP is found and it's installing the packages successfully. Thanks for watching.